if you want to use wireless charging on Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you have to change some options. So start by opening settings, go into the battery options and go to the charging options. Over here, I will go for the wireless charging mode and set the standard one because the silent one actually reduces the charging speed. And right now you can also turn off this one, smart charging. The smart charging actually control the temperature of your phone, and when you are using the wireless charging, your phone will heat up and it will actually reduce the charging speed of your wireless charger. Now, you have to just simply put your phone on the charger, and this is the first method. And as you can see, it just start charging. But also, we can use the second phone to do that. So in this case, I actually have this one. This is the Vivo X200 Pro, and it's supported with reverse wireless charging. So I can also use other devices to recharge my Poco. Take a look. It also starts charging thanks to the reverse wireless power sharing on my Vivo. And that's basically everything.